Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another vlog and I have actually something very exciting that I'm going to be doing today. I am going to be organizing my shoes. If you guys new here to my channel, welcome. My name is Eve. I love all things beauty. Away from beauty, I love organizing, cleaning, and doing house projects. So today I am going to be organizing my shoes because it's been a hot mess, and I'm gonna walk you through my closet and show you what is going on there. So brace yourself ahead of time. I ordered some shoe storage solutions that I'm pretty excited about, and I cannot wait to put this all together. If you like this vlog, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And if you like to see how I'm going to be organizing my messy shoes, please continue watching. All right, guys, so don't be scared, but this is my walk-in closet and it is very messy. So I actually did some shopping in the past 2 weeks and it's just a hot mess here. Literally, I have to organize everything. I have to find place for everything. We're gonna be organizing my shoes. So let me briefly show you what I have going on here. This has been my shoe storage for all the shoes that I'm wearing right now. And I live in Florida, as you know. I have a lot of open shoes and work shoes and something that's like semi-closed, like this type of shoe, because Florida again. So I've been using this racks, and I have two of them, one on each side of the furniture. One is there, one is here. And then a lot of my shoes have been just like standing on the floor. And again, all these boxes. I also have all the shoe boxes right there, and I have some of them there. Those are my tall boots. And here I have another rack that is full with my shoes, mostly street sneakers and some just dressy going out shoes. So guys, my goal for today is to organize all the shoes, and there's something that I ordered that I'm super excited about, and I'm gonna show you what it is and we're gonna organize it together. I've been in Florida for almost 2 years. Yeah, almost 2 years. In December is going to be 2 years. And I love my closet space. It's wonderful. There's so much space, but I also have an OCD. I have a major OCD. And I am obsessed with organizing things and cleaning things. So mismatched boxes of shoes legit drive me crazy. I was looking for a solution. I initially thought to change the whole entire like furniture or cabinets that we have there. But then I thought that was completely crazy because it's a really expensive project. So I looked into different shelving and organizational units. I actually ordered mine from Amazon. They were not necessarily cheap, but I also wasn't looking for the cheapest product just because I wanted some quality. I wasn't expecting major quality from this type of product. However, I wanted to be somewhat decent. So I looked into this stuff and I'm going to show you what it is right now. So this is basically the boxes, the plastic boxes. This is just how it's folded in the box. So I ordered 12 of them. No, I'm lying. I ordered 2 sets of 12. So I have 24 boxes, and I'm sure if the system works for me, I'm gonna actually go ahead and order another 12 because I love shoes. I have a lot of shoes and I'm intending to buy more shoes. So I hope that this works. So I ordered this in a size medium, and I think it was something like $64 or something like that. I will definitely link that for you in the description box. Make sure to check it out. I know it also comes in extra large size. It would fit different dimensions, so they do have different sizes available. They even have storage for like baby shoes or kids, so that's very nice. So I'm going to show you how to build one and just kind of give you an idea how to put one together. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. So there are 2 parts. They're plastic. Okay, so this one would be your back side of the box, and it has a like perforation here, so it's breathable. And then this is a front plastic frame that also has a door, and then the door is a see-through. Third part, and the last one to this whole entire ensemble, is this basically plastic piece, which is a box. So it's folded like this and it's shipped like this, right? Like very nice and flat. And all you're gonna do is just open it up like this. And there are already lines here that you would need to bend. So first you're gonna bend it like this. It's a really nice thick plasticky material. It's flexible, as you can see. So then you're gonna fold it the other way and also do the same thing. Just nicely run your hands over that bent edge. And then I go ahead and do all of the bended lines like this. So you bend it one way and then the other. So after you do this, the box basically looks like that. Once you put the frames, it's going to stabilize the box itself. Box also has a square openings on each side, and they're kind of on each side, both top and bottom. So you want to do is you're just going to pop those plasticky things out. Nails come in really handy in this situation. So once they're all popped out, then you have these little tabs right here on sides, and you're gonna bend them inside of the box like that. You're gonna bend them inwards. So there are 4 of them. You're gonna bend all of them inside. So now that you have the box ready, you're gonna start putting a lid in. I'm just gonna start with this back frame. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna snap on top of it. It doesn't go inside, it just goes on top. And as you can see, there's this really small thin space here. So basically this line is supposed to fit into this rim. All you're gonna do is just align like this. And you're gonna hear a clicking sound. There you go. And it's on. You're also gonna do the same thing with the lid portion. One thing that you want to pay attention here, guys, when you're putting this second lid on, is that these boxes are meant to be stackable. So they have the little prongs here that come out. Posterior lid also has this little prongs here. So when you're putting the lids together, the prongs have to be faced the same direction of the box. Just make sure that is done properly. If for some reason you guys misalign them and put in different directions, you can always take this lid off. What you need to do is pop these little tabs from the inside of the lid. So you would have to open the lid and pop them with your nails and the lid would come off. All right guys, we're back in my messy closet. So the goal right now is for me to take everything off and put all my shoes inside of the boxes, the new ones that I just made, and organize. I measured my shelf and I would be able to fit 4 horizontal rows and 2 vertical rows. So this is what I'm about to do. Those are larger boxes. I'm not sure if those shoes will work in the sizes that I purchased. So I might need to order larger sizes for those. However, I wanted to show you what the boxes look like. And this is what they look like. They look really neat. You can either put it on the shelf like that. I could easily do it here, but I do have a different plan what I want to do with this storage here. And I want to organize these boxes here on the shelf because I would never use this metal shelves ever if I don't put my shoes there. These boxes come in different colors. They come in completely clear, they come in white, they come in black. I personally pick black because I feel like I don't want to see through the boxes. I want them to be a little bit more enclosed. I'm very much okay with having like clear lids on them. So I'm thinking to even do like pictures of all my shoes and possibly make like small tags on here in the front. I don't know, I might do it, I might not, but you will be able to see shoes through the boxes just from the front, and then from the sides you won't be able to see it, which I personally prefer. And I am going to organize the boxes finally. I'm gonna start with one of my favorite pairs of heels that I've been using a lot in the past summer. Let me know guys if you want to see like my shoe collection and stuff, because I have a lot of shoes and I'm intending to buy more because I love shoes. Okay guys, so I want to show you that my high heel, and this is a high heel, this actually goes up vertically. So this is fantastic. I think it's like 5.5 inches here. This is pretty much the high heel that I usually wear when I go out. It's pretty high, and this fits vertically, and there's definitely way more space in the back there. I also just thought of something. If you have shoes accessories like cleaning brushes and pomades and shoe sprays and stuff like that that you would use for your shoes, you could easily use one of these boxes also just in the row like that to keep all those supplies in there so they're not scattered all around the house and you never have a right place for it. Let's organize all my shoes, and I'm gonna show you my final result of the shelf. All right, guys, it's another check-in. I've done a lot of work. It's literally like 11 o'clock at nighttime. I am so tired. It's past my bedtime by far, but I'm gonna show you what I've done, and I'm really loving the results. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you what I made out of that furniture piece. In total, I got 24 of those shoe boxes, and this is what it looks like. It is so nice. Obviously it's not finished, and this is obviously temporarily. This is not my plan. So originally I really want just to take the whole entire top section of my side of the closet and make it into a shoe storage. So basically this is what it looks like, and I think it looks really, really nice and neat. So when you walk in, this is what you see from the top, and then the closet is basically looking just like that. So I kind of organize it to my best ability. Like, my idea is just to have all my accessories in that portion of the closet, and have my like sunglasses, my bags, and obviously that those shoes are going to be gone, and I'm going to eventually move them down there. So obviously I still have some boxes left right there. Those are my tall boots and like my Uggs boxes there, and some leather higher, taller boots. The ones are like calf length. I would need to look into the boxes that are a larger size, so I could also arrange those. But overall, I'm very, very pleased. And I definitely have a lot more work to do in my closet. There's just so many other things that I need to organize. I have to go through all my clothes. I usually do it when the seasons change. It's September and we're getting into like fall and winter season. Where I live in Florida, and our fall doesn't really start until November or December. I definitely have some time to revamp my wardrobe and get ready for Florida winter and fall. If you guys have any ideas for closets or great solutions for closet organization, storage, things like that, let me know. Leave your comments, and I would greatly appreciate it, because I'm kind of like in a process of making this space functional. I really like everything really organized, the way I can see everything. I think sometime down the road I will do a closet tour once I organize everything. That would be a fun thing to do. Let me know, would like to see that once I'm finished with the project. Hope you enjoyed this vlog style video. Give this video a thumb up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next videos. Bye.